Hey guys, today we are taking a walk in Logatec in Slovenia. Let's go. So this is the Logatec area, and we'll take a walk to the biggest flagpole in Slovenia, up there on that hill. We have some kind of art piece here. The house with no roof or walls. It's beginning of November, so a little bit chilly, but taking advantage of a sunny day. Oh, what's it inside there? Some kind of flowers? There's some cows over there. And of course, dog walkers. There's that special bird that stays in one place. See? And here we have a chapel. And our goal is to reach the top of that hill. And there is Mrs. Cow scratching himself. Scratch yourself, Cowie. Ooh. He looks like more of a bull than a cow without the horns. And here's the parking to Logatec Sports Park. Behind there, I think it's a stadium. Let's go check it out. Up the hill. Say bye bye cowies. Bye bye cows. And the flag's over there. So, now the other cow is scratching herself. That will from now on be called the scratching tree. See, that's the stretching. That's the scratching tree. What's the stretching? The scratching. Yeah, it's a bull. You can see his balls there. Those are bulls, guys, not normal cows. Let's go see if there's any more cows there. Okay, so there you go, the football field. The football field. And here are the cows. The cows. The dirty, dirty cows. So those are females. That one is a female. And those two are two bulls. And behind is the town of Logatec. And here, if you touch this, you'll get zipped by electricity. And the doggy VIP treatment. So we have a choice to make. Should we go all the way around, or take a shortcut? Which one will Big Joe choose? Write me in the comments. Number 1 or number 2? Right now. And the answer is, let's take the hard way up, the shortcut, number 2. Made it up this shortcut. So there you go, the nice views of Logatec, the football stadium, the dog lady scaring her dog, and of the surrounding landscapes. Welcome to Slovenia. And up there, up the hill, a few more meters of the flag, which will be today's final destination. It's a bit chilly and windy up here already, but I'll take it, guys. Again, VIP dog treatment. That's how you walk dogs in Slovenia. You carry them. And made it to the top of the hill where the flagpole is. And some more nice views of surrounding area from the hill top. And another view of Logatec town from the top of the hill. It's a small town, as you can see. And we're almost at the flag. And Big Joe made it to the flag. Mission accomplished, guys. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's nature video, and be sure to press the like, share, subscribe, and put me your thoughts down in the comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care, guys. So the plaque says on this spot the biggest Slovenian flag is proudly waving, and it was built in 2024, so this year. So it's kind of a new monument. And behind we have the old ski lifts for skiing downhill in winter time. Now really, guys, Big Joe out. And on this spot on top of the hill, Big Joe proudly rests.
So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. And the next one, guys.